How to record a Smule video? To record a video in Smule, you have to open the app and choose a song you want to sing. Open it as a solo, duet, or group song and make sure you only sing audio. When you finish your first layer, you get to the review page. Now you can tap on a little camera sign on the top and start your video recording. Since you've already recorded the audio, all you have to do is either lip sync or do whatever you want. So everything you do here is just for the visual and can't be heard on the recording. When you're done with the video recording, you get back to the review page and now you can choose your FX and volume. And once you've done that, you can save the recording. So now you've got your first layer. If you've opened the song as a duet or a group song, you can now either choose to sing with yourself and add more layers to that song, or you just invite other people and make a group song out of it. You can arrange great visualized stories with your song and impress everyone with your creativity. Make sure you don't overlap the layers though, because there's a risk that maybe one or two layers won't show up in the end result. Your video layer will only show up whenever you're singing in that moment. Several layers can show up at the same time whenever you're singing with other people simultaneously. To create a great performance, I would suggest to you to do some test runs first and see how the arrangement works. Once you've considered all the points that I've just mentioned before, you should be good to go. Anyways, check my last video if you haven't yet, and see you next week.